Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to delete all your Facebook photos at once. So, let's dive right in. Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't offer a one-click solution to delete all your photos. However, you can delete them in bulk by tackling your albums. Here's how. Access your Facebook profile. In the usual view, you'll see your profile picture and cover photo at the top. Below that, you might see some of your recent posts or life events. Click on your name near the top of the screen. This will take you to your full profile page. Now, find the Photos section on your profile. This might be located under your cover photo or near the left side of your profile, where you see other sections like About and Friends. Click on Photos to view all your photo-related content. Once you're in the Photos section, you'll see various ways to organize your photos, including your photos and albums. Click on Albums to see a list of all the photo albums you've created or been added to on Facebook. Here comes the part where you can delete your albums in bulk. Hover over an album you want to delete. You'll see 3 dots appear in the top right corner of the album thumbnail. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will appear with a few options for the selected album. Choose Delete Album from this menu. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Make sure this is the album you want to delete, and then click Delete to permanently remove the album and all the photos within it from your Facebook profile. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.